In this video, we'll demonstrate how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. But before we dive into the main content, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to efficiently manage your blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. If you're using WhatsApp and you've previously blocked a contact or a number, and you now wish to unblock or delete it, we'll guide you through the process. Here's how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and tap on the Settings option at the bottom right. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy option located under Account. Tap on Privacy. Midway down the Privacy settings, you'll find the Blocked section. Tap on Blocked. Here, you'll see a list of contacts that you've previously blocked. To unblock a contact, simply swipe left on the contact and then tap Unblock. If you have multiple contacts to unblock, you can tap Edit at the top right. This will allow you to select multiple contacts that you want to unblock, making the process more efficient. You can go through the entire list of blocked contacts and unblock the ones you wish to remove from your block list on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Your engagement is valuable to us. If you found this video useful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more informative videos, please visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.